Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be, oh my goodness, I just messed up my nail polish. Okay, let's get going. Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, I want to say a big thank you to you for clicking on this video, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial that I did before, but I did it with what's it called, threading method, and I've been getting a lot of requests to redo this video in braiding style, or how I would cornrow my hair if I were to use weaving, cornrow style, if I'm explaining that right. So let's get right into this video. I'm going to do a talk through with this video, and let's see if it comes out great, and I hope it does. So first of all, the hair I'm using is the Kanikanon hair, and I think I got it for $1.99 or $2.99, I'm not sure. And what I did is I cut it into 3 parts and I feathered the ends out, and that is what I did for the hair. So I'm going to use I'm going to apply coconut oil. I don't know if you can see coconut oil and virgin hair fertilizer. I've been using this for a while now. Okay. I think this should be a good amount. And I'm taking my hair fertilizer. I'm going to mix that together and apply it all over my hair. So now that I'm done applying that on my hair, I'm just going to take just a little bit of the hair fertilizer and I'm going to apply that on my edges. I'm going to go ahead and comb that all through.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side.
So let's get going. So now that I'm done combing all my hair through, I'm going to the cornrow style I will be using to create this look today. So I'm going to I don't know if I can show you, I'm going to do 2 straight back, and I'm going to start going straight backward.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on
So now that I'm done doing one or two cornrow towards the back, I'm going to section the way I want the hair to fall. I usually like side part because I have a bit of a forehead and I want to be like try and cover that up a little bit. So I want to have section how I want my hair to lay. I want my hair to be like this, so I just section the hair out like so. When it's falling, it's going to fall like sideways. I don't usually do straight. I do, but not all the time. So I section that out, and I'm going to go ahead and section one more out like this. And I'm just going to take a little bit of a hair and I'm going to cornrow that right down. So now that this is done, when I'm cornrolling the hair that is combing here, I'm going to take this and like cornroll it towards this way. Just
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste
done conrolling the hair backwards, I'm going to go in and start crocheting. I'm going to crochet this. So as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, and the rest is backward, just like this. So guys, that's all about this video today. I hope you like. Thank you so much for asking questions. I like your feedback on my videos. Keep it coming, and I'm going to be creating video based on you guys' interest. So that is all about this tutorial, and there's going to be a part 2. I did create another look for this hair, so I'm just going to let you guys go and click and watch the next video.